All right, so I wanted to go ahead and highlight virtual backgrounds because we've been getting that question. So virtual backgrounds are found here within the little arrow that you would click next to the video, and you can choose your virtual background and it brings up my settings. One thing I do want to mention with virtual backgrounds is that it's very processor intensive and your computer might not be able to handle it. So with older machines, we've been getting tickets where some folks have been asking, like, I can't select virtual backgrounds, and that's the reason why. There are minimum requirements to run virtual backgrounds. The majority of new machines don't have this problem, but yeah, Zoom will notify you if you can't run virtual backgrounds. So that's just the reality of virtual backgrounds, unfortunately. It is very processor intensive. So once you are here within your settings, I can go ahead and select a virtual background. Yeah, so beautiful SF or a grass field or maybe in space. But yeah, that's very basic. These are the basics when it comes to virtual backgrounds. Oh, the other thing I do want to mention, you can see here that my Santa Clara Law Technology department shirt is mirrored. So the other question that we've had is, why is my video mirrored? Here you see I have, by default, mirror my video is always checked. You can uncheck that, and there we go, mirroring is off. So there may be some virtual backgrounds that have text. We have some Zoom backgrounds that we made for the law school that have the Santa Clara Law branding, and so if mirror my video is on, the text will be in reverse. So you'll want to go ahead and click on mirror my video. The other question, and let's see that if I can simulate this here, is you might get this. I don't know the best way to describe this, but we did receive some tickets where pretty much folks saying my virtual background isn't displaying correctly and I look like a ghost. I have a green screen is enabled, so you'll want to go ahead and disable that. With green screen, the virtual background works better. So if you do have a lower spec machine that can't handle virtual backgrounds, you could always set up a green screen and click on I have a green screen, and that actually will allow you to run virtual backgrounds. But if you have a newer machine, you want to go ahead and have this unchecked. So yeah, that is all there is when dealing with virtual backgrounds.